I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Slides and signing into the account you intend to use. Once done, pick a blank slide or an existing deck. Make sure your images are accessible, saved locally, uploaded to Drive, or available via URL because you'll import them next. Now, select the slide where the image will go and click Insert. This first action moves you from setup into the actual placement process, so proceed without extra delay and keep images organized for quick access. You now insert the image. Click Insert, Image, and pick Upload from Computer, Drive, Photos by URL or Camera. Once the image appears, drag corners to resize and use the corner handles to keep aspect ratio. Hold Shift to constrain proportions if you prefer. Then move the image where you want and use Arrange menu commands, Align, Center, Middle, or Guides to snap into place. This stage refines composition, so take a moment to balance size, alignment, and spacing for professional visuals. You finish by formatting. Right-click and choose Format options to crop, mask, or apply drop shadows and recolor. These tweaks help focus attention. Once satisfied, group objects or set the image's background for consistent slides. If something goes wrong, first re-upload, then verify the file type is PNG or JPG and that the size isn't too large. Also check your internet connection. If an image won't import, try using Drive Upload or a different browser. That usually resolves stubborn import errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.